Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I will show you how to add chapters on YouTube videos, and there's a couple of ways how to do that. Let me find the channel. I want to add some chapters on this one. So you can add chapters before you added the video, either when you are uploading the video, and I'll try to cover both ways. So this is the channel of mine, this is a failed channel, and I try to add some chapters on this video as an example, and it worked. I'll just try. And the beginning I named the first chapter, then the fan was fan sound, the second chapter, and it was also a third chapter which didn't show up because I added that at hour 9, and this video is only 8 hours long, and this is the reason why I can't see the third chapter. However, let's head into the YouTube studio because I want to show you first how to add the chapter when before you uploaded the video. After you'll reach your YouTube studio, you'll have to go to content. Now just try to find the specific video you want to add the chapter. As an example, let's try to add a chapter on this one, chill night in the forest. Let's try. So this is the description of this video, not very professional. No wonder why this channel didn't work. So you just have to add chapters, 2 dots, then you have to add 00 2 dots 00. Now most probably your video is not longer than 1 hour, but in my scenario it's in hours, so I will have to add another set of zeros because this video is 12 hours, man. So this will be the first chapter, space, 1 line, and now let's name it introduction. And this will be my first chapter. Now this will be my second one. Let's start with our 5 0 5 2 dots 0 0 2 dots 0 0. The second chapter, why not? And let's go our 7 0 7 0 0 0 0 line space, the third chapter. And now I want to add one more chapter at our 9 0 9 0 0 0 0 line space, the fourth chapter. And basically I just added the chapters. This is the script you have to copy. Now if your video is in minutes, you just have to go like 0 0 to that 0 0 and the name of the chapter. Now if you want to go from minute 5 0 5 to that 0 0 line, the second chapter. And let's say your video is just 10 minutes long, let's add one more chapter at minute 9 0 9 2 dots 0 0 space line space, the third chapter. And this is how you add chapters, but my video is in hours, so I will have another sets of zeros. Okay, those. Now let's save it and let's have a look if the video now have the chapters I just added. Let me search for my channel. Top right icon, your channel, and what video was that? Chill night in the forest videos. Where is that? Found it. Chill night in the forest. Okay, we'll have to wait for the ad to go and hit that trial. Introduction, the second chapter, the third chapter, and the fourth chapter. So it worked. This is so you can add chapters on your video. This trick can help you with the average view duration or the watch time. Now I want to show you also one more thing before you are adding this and it's not working. Let's scroll a little bit down, show more, and automatic chapters. You have to mark this one. Now this is how to add the chapters manually. Let's try to upload the video and see how this will work. So this is a test video I have. It's 10 or 12 seconds long. So uploading test video. The description will be test description. Scroll down, show more, allow automatic chapters and key moments. Okay, it's all already marked. And now usually you just have to go again. Chapters to that 00.00 will be mandatory. Introduction, you can name it how you want, but 002.00 is mandatory. And now if you want second chapter, minute 5, or what minute you want to add this on. Now you have to know if you want to add chapters, the video must be over 10 seconds long, and you have to add more or at least 3 chapters. If your video is less than 10 seconds long and you want to add less than 3 chapters, this will not be possible. Also, not all the videos are eligible for chapters, and also strikes will influence that. Now guys, I really hope I help you with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or some troubles doing that. I'll try to get to you as soon as possible if somebody else will not respond. And I want to wish you one more thing: please have the greatest day possible you can ever have.